Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to change background color of text box in Google Slide. Let's get started. Draw a text box, go to toolbar and click the text box and draw the text box. Type the text and go to toolbar and click the fill color and choose the solid color or gradient color. You can add custom color. You can add border, click the border color and add border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.